Hey everybody, I'm Tim. I'm from Speedway Motors, one of the sprint car techs. Today we're in our shop here. This is one of my race cars, and we have a little situation with a dent in a tube. And so EMI designed a pretty nifty tool here. You can just take an old torsion bar and stick it on in here. As you can see, it won't move, so just take a hammer and give it a good smack. There we go. Yeah, so reason that dent's there is because everybody that races sprint cars knows when you get a front end knocked out, you know, usually the stop will come around and smack it, and that's what happened here. So we got that problem fixed, and if anybody's got any questions about this tool, you can always give us a call here at Speedway Motors, or just go online, Speedway Motors or EMI, and appreciate everybody watching.